orchestral. Do you ever go to a party and hear Caribbean music and say to yourself, damn, I wish I could dance? Do you ever find yourself dancing like this? Well, here's the solution. Keep watching. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, my sister and I are gonna be showing you guys how to do some Caribbean dances, you know, like how to whine, tick-tock, you know, all of that good stuff. And I chose to do this video because a few people, I don't know what she's doing, a few people have requested that I make this video. So this one's for y'all. If you ask for it, you know who you are. Can you pay attention like a damn cat? Let's get into the video. Little disclaimer, I am not a professional dance teacher. She is. We'll see how much y'all pick up from this. We're gonna try our best to teach you guys through the screen. Y'all feel me? Okay. The first dance we're gonna be showing you guys is how to whine. So I know y'all guys see me doing it in some of my other videos, but if y'all don't know what it looks like if you're here for the first time, whining looks a little bit like this. And then a back view. Sorry. Here's how we're gonna break it down for y'all. Go ahead.
Hello. So start with your legs like shoulder width apart. Then you might want to do like a little sit, and then you're just gonna slowly roll your waist.
Yeah, you're gonna focus on here, like
not this.
Yeah, you're gonna focus on your hip bones, right? And you're gonna rotate them. You're gonna move your pelvic area in a circle. Whichever way is more comfortable for you, because I go this way and she goes the other way. She can actually go both ways. So whatever way is more comfortable for you. I know y'all are beginners, so you won't be able to do both ways. You kind of just gotta focus on one way for now. Just rotate your pelvic area, y'all.
Slowly.
It feels mad weird.
Oh, then you could
Alright, so now once you got the hang of it slower, you can try to speed it up and make smaller circles. So right now, this is a big circle. And now you're gonna wanna make smaller circles.
My back just cracked.
Alright, y'all. That's one form that you can do it in. Another form is a more bent over stance, like this. And you use your hands, you brace on your knees. And you're pretty much doing the same thing with making the circle, I guess.
Arch up and back.
Yeah, you're making a circle. If you see, yeah. Yep. So those are bigger circles. So the smaller circles will look more like so bigger circles, smaller circles. And then if you guys want to see from the back view, this is bigger circles. And this is smaller circles. Cool? Alright, so it's mostly all in your hip bones and you're all here. Now we're gonna try it to music. Okay, are you guys ready? Ready? Okay. Alright, control the rotation of your pelvic area. Like, it's not up here, it's not like your midsection, it's your hip bones, your pelvic region. I recommend that if you cannot, like, if the faster pace is like harder for you, focus on the bigger circles first, you know, the bigger circles. We all started somewhere, don't worry.
We all did.
Remember that you guys can rewind, fast forward as much as y'all want to catch the step. Like I said, we're explaining it as best as I can, as best as she can, so hopefully y'all got that.
We're not professionals.
Not professionals. So on to the next dance. The next type
tick-tock.
of dance that we're gonna show you is the tick-tock. And if y'all don't know what the tick-tock looks like, it looks like this. And from the front, it looks like. Here's how you do that dance there. This one's gonna be a little bit more tricky to teach y'all because it has more to do with your legs instead of like only your pelvic region. I'm going to try to teach you guys. If y'all don't mind, I'm gonna teach you with my butt facing you guys, just because it's easier for you guys to see what's going on. So you're going to go into that position that I told you guys, the bent over position, and brace on your knees with your hands. You're going to lean your butt to the right, and you're gonna bend your knee a little bit more on the right side. So you see like how I'm kind of like, this side is up in the air and this side is down, cool. And then you're going to put both your knees at the same level as they were before and arch your back. And then you're gonna go down on the left side. Bend that knee on the left. And then you're gonna go down on both sides. So both knees are gonna be in a lower position, like so.
Oh my God.
So that's one full rotation. And then you're gonna do it again. Right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. Right?
Oh my
up,
God.
left, down. Right? Up, left.
Oh my God.
So that's how you guys, do the tick-tock. That's a slow version. If you're learning for the first time, it's best that you know the slow version. If you want to see what the faster version looks like, I'll show you guys when we demonstrate it. That's the whole around the clock tick-tock. But there's another tick-tock where you just kind of like go from left to right, and it looks a little bit like this. So that's pretty much when I showed you guys like how you bend your knee to the right to make your right butt cheek go down, and then you bend it to the left to make the left butt cheek go down. It's kind of like the same thing. You go back to the stance and you bend right, bend left, bend right, bend left, bend, 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 bend. All right, y'all. So that's two forms of the tick-tock. Now we're just gonna do it to some music. This is the second one.
DJ Kenzo.
All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys the second version. So far, we have learned how to whine, and we have learned how to tick-tock in two different ways. The third and final dance I'm gonna show you guys is how to Bruck off your back. So, if y'all don't know, there's like a whole song for it. We might not like play that actual song when we do the whole demonstration, but here's how you do the dance. So this one you guys gonna have to look at us from the side. For this dance, pay attention to our feet. So you're gonna, again, bend over, feet shoulder width apart.
Sorry.
Right? You're gonna put your hands on your knees, and you're gonna sink in your back. And this dance is basically more in your back than your butt, kind of. So what you're gonna do is also to give you that extra pop, you're going to lift up the heel of whatever foot you want first. Whatever, left or right first. So it's like your foot is gonna be cocked up like that. Cock up your foot, G. Right? So you're gonna pop your back. 1, 2. Alright, and then switch. Lift up the other side, cock up the other foot, and 1, 2. Alright?
I'm getting hot.
Again, you bend over, touch your knees, sink in your back, and cock up your foot, whatever side foot you're ready to use first. And then 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. All right, if you guys want to see this from the back, this is how it looks.
Oh my god.
Ready? 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Now we're going to just demonstrate for you with the music. Ready? Side view, back view. That was 3 dances we taught you guys so far. Now the 4th one, the actual final one. I know I said the last one was the final one. I lied. It's like a shimmy. I don't know how to explain it. I don't even know what it's called actually.
It's a stripper move.
Yeah, it's a you know, it's a like nice little something to throw in there in your combination when you're dancing at a party. So you know, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that one. We're gonna show you guys how to do that one. She's better at it than me.
I'm really not.
You know, because she got more of the booty. But, you know, little booties matter. We can still do it, little booty girls. Please.
Little booties matter.
Anyways, you're going to stand with your feet a little wider than shoulder length. And you're going to bend forward, right? And you're going to kind of just shake side to side. Shake your butt side to side. If you feel it jiggling, you know it's working. And like me, because I don't have as much butt, I kind of need to give it like more help. So I kind of bend my knees a little bit. So like, if you can't see, you see my knees. Yeah, y'all. Now we're just gonna show you guys some music. Are you guys ready? 5, 6.
9 inch up, right that. 10 inch up, like that. 11 inch up, right that. 12 inch up, my God, this girl, she want all.
Hey! We showed you guys 4 dances. How to whine, how to tick-tock in 2 different ways, how to bruck off your back, and how to do the little shimmy twerk thingy stripper move. So, now, we're just gonna put them all together in like a random order just to kind of dance for you guys, to show you guys how it's supposed to look. Here we go.
Good body girl, dressed with a shape. You want the wine, any man with a paper. Listen to me, me I make you one favor. Head top girl, welcome to Jamaica. Girl, you was not like everyday paper. Them still a
DJ Kenzo.
Man, if you a girl, you them a wake up. See them a
Alright, y'all. So that was that. I hope you guys actually did learn, or you kind of continue to use this video to learn.
Or at least had fun watching us.
Yeah, or at least had fun watching. Because we busting a sweat here. This is actually a workout. So like if you're lazy, but you like to dance to music, you know, get your cardio in, baby girl. Hopefully at the next party y'all go to, you know how to do 4 new dances, show off your moves, you know, send me videos of you guys doing your moves or like learning from you guys.
Yes, send us videos.
Let me see your progress. We're done. I will see you guys next week. I know this video came a little late and that's just because of life.
Yeah.
But Instead of waiting until next week to give you guys a video, I just decided to do it today. So, here y'all go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And please hit the little notification bell, y'all know, to get notifications when I post. Later!